Welcome to our tutorial on conditional middleware execution in Express.js. We begin by importing the Express module and creating a new Express application instance, using these two lines of code. Next, we define logging middleware, a custom middleware function that will log every requests method and URL. The next call at the end ensures the request moves on to the next middleware in the stack. Here we have post request middleware, another middleware that checks if the incoming request is a post request. If it is, it logs a specific message. Regardless, it then calls next to proceed. We invoke app_use to apply the logging middleware globally to all routes. This means every request to our server will go through this middleware and their details will be logged as a result. The post request middleware, however, is used conditionally. It's only applied to routes that match submit. This way, the post request logic is only executed for this specific route. Here is an example get route to the route path. When a client makes a get request to this path, our server will respond with hello world. Notice that our logging middleware will log the request, but the post request middleware won't affect it. Finally, we set up our server to listen on port 3000. Once it's running, a message indicating the server's port will be printed to the console. With this, our server is complete and ready to handle requests with both global and conditional middleware.